Alright, so spring cleaning time. So this has been many years in coming, is a battery organizer. This one's by ZesGood. A little bit look there at the product logo. Claims to be waterproof, explosion proof, fireproof. I'm going to test one of those. I will test the waterproofness, I think, but I'm certainly not going to test fireproof and explosion proof. So hopefully that's not exactly something this is going to be exposed to. I'm just trying to tame the chaotic battery organization or lack thereof. So, there we are. So shiny, kind of a, I don't know what to call that texture. It's almost rubbery. It's kind of grippy, tacky. Almost feels like it's sort of wet, but it's not. Yeah, just, I don't know. Almost actually feels oily, but it's actually not. So I don't know. It's just a unique texture. So. Way up. There is a carrying handle up here on top, and yes, a handy dandy battery tester. So that'll kind of be nice. I've been using a digital meter for that, so this will be nice and something the kids can do a little easier. Is just put a battery on here and test whether they're good or not. So we have some, I guess, advice on how to organize the case and how to use the battery tester, which I think I can handle. Alright, so let's see. This is interesting. So the all of these are just little cutouts that I guess I'm going to remove. That if I look carefully at the instructions, the cut foam is retained inside, so it may take a little time to remove it. But that was to keep it from, I guess, getting damaged in shipping and all that. So all right, makes sense. So it's been tested fireproof. Again, I'm not going to go testing that. I may try to dunk it in the water and see if it gets wet before I put batteries in. But and up here we have zipper kind of compartments up here. If you can see that. But looking forward to those to have a nice way to store some little watch battery, cell battery kind of things, because they're rather crazy in our organization. So so each of these little cells just has the foam to pull out. So that's kind of cool. So fun little project. I guess I'll probably pull them out as I need them here. But yeah, it seems it's got a internal plastic frame in here to keep it holding its shape. So looks like I can put some batteries in here in a very compact arrangement, and that will be nice. So let me maybe test out the waterproofness and start transferring some batteries in and test the battery tester. Alright, so let's do a little water test here. Put a paper towel inside. So get it kind of wet. Let it sit there for a few minutes and see what happens. Alright, so as we saw there, water just feeds off the outside here. What I'm curious about is the zipper itself is waterproof, and I put a paper towel in here before I started, and you can see it kind of captured a little bit of water here. Seems to be, it leaked there just a little bit at the where the zipper was, so that's kind of a hard, and the water's kind of running here, so. So the shell is pretty waterproof, but it would appear that there's a little bit of leaking that happens there where the zipper is, so I would be aware of that, but I'm not really planning to get this into water, so I'm not real greatly concerned about that. In order to dry that out, I went in and discovered that the whatever you want to call this tray that's actually holding all the batteries can actually be removed, and dried it all out. So I guess in case of a battery leaking, getting acid anywhere or something like that, it's good to know this will lift right out, and you can clean up any mess there. Alright, so with a little bit of persuasion here, able to get the tray, whatever foamy part, to go back in here. So now I can work on pulling the plugs out, putting some batteries in. Alright, so here is the mess of batteries. That's what we've done. Just stored them in here. So, time to put them all nice and organized into here. So let's give that a try. Alright, so here's a look, putting in the D batteries, 9 volts, some C's, and a whole bunch of AA's. Some fit in those little cases up there. Got some AA's there on the right, spot up there for some of the watch, like cell batteries. I found some other weird ones that fit in, some AA's that go with our garage door opener, spot there in the front for the battery tester. Alright, so now things are nice and organized. I also did misunderstand what these were up front. They obviously hold AA batteries. Throwing in some mishmash. I also found some rechargeables we had in another drawer there. So didn't have quite enough spots up here for all of the little watch batteries that we have, but got a lot of them, and a couple extra D's that didn't fit in here, so I'm just keeping them up there. The battery charger that comes with it is right here, so it allows you to easily test whether a battery is good or not, so handy. Can also work for the 9-volt batteries up here. Let's try that out, which I'm probably doing it backwards. No, I'm doing it forwards. There we go. There we go. Alright, so that one's good too. So, handy dandy little bonus to have in here. Easy to use. And so that's a lot better than our mishmash bin of batteries. It is rather dense now that it's heavy, but very sturdy here. As I said, the outside is nice and waterproof. The zipper obviously is going to let a tiny bit of water in if you need to, but nice to hold everything together in one place. So I am very pleased. Hope this was a helpful look, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.